Welcome to the Redhead Vlogger. In today's video, I tried the chicken sandwich. Let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. And today, I am trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Is it good enough to get stabbed for? That's the question.
3 years too late.
3 years too late. So, like, people would get stabbed for these chicken sandwiches. And I don't know, so I'm going to try one. So let's get into the video. Okay, so you see this, you see the packaging, you see this. It looks like a chicken burger. So we're going to try it. It's worth to get stabbed over. This is worth being waited in line for 5 hours to get one. Right? Crispy, crumpy rummies.
You know, ramen? It also causes strokes.
It's so good, it might take you up to the Lord. That's some good Popeyes. Oh, that chicken for Popeyes.
Did you leave that in there?
Yeah. Thank you for watching this short video. See you in the next one. Okay, so here's some Snapchats that I've saved that I just should put in a video. Here you go. Ma'am, you wonder why I pulled you over today?
No.
Because you look exactly like me. There can only be one of us.
Hi, we are
Right there, right next to you.
here. Right here. Come on, Jacob. You're so.
Ow. Ow. I'm turning into something that I'll never be. Oh.
I got it to the grass.
Poker face, poker face. Oh, no, no, no. Very fly. Oh, God. Help me.
I'm in the fast lane from LA to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. Can't you taste this girl? Remember my name.
Turn right, then continue straight.
I said, baby, I do this. Seem so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song, but it was far away. Not in my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah. That shit that's rocking it, so gotta be from out of town. So much my girls all around me. It's definitely not a national party, 'cause all I see is the left. I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the DJ turned my favorite hit and the Whitney song was on.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like and comment down below. And this weekend there's going to be a cool episode. So see ya there. Bye.